The Lenovo PC tower I'm looking at today packs a serious punch. With a 12th Gen Intel Core i7-12700 processor, you're getting 12 cores and 20 threads, translating to smooth, lag-free performance even under heavy multitasking. The base clock speed of 2.1 GHz boosts up to an impressive 4.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, ensuring demanding applications and games run flawlessly. Paired with a whopping 32 GB of RAM, this system can handle anything you throw at it, from intensive video editing to running multiple virtual machines. Let's not forget the storage. A lightning-fast 2 TB PCIe SSD means incredibly quick boot times and near-instantaneous file access. No more waiting around for your system to catch up. Gaming is where this PC truly shines. Thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR6 dedicated video memory. This GPU is more than capable of handling modern games at high settings, delivering stunning visuals and smooth frame rates. The RTX 3060 also supports ray tracing, adding another layer of realism to your gaming experience. Connectivity is also excellent, with built-in Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, offering speeds up to 2.4 gigabits per second and a gigabit Ethernet port for a stable wired connection. For USB 3.1 ports provide ample connectivity for your peripherals. All of this comes running on Windows 11 Home, giving you access to the latest features and a refreshed user interface. Overall, this Lenovo PC tower offers a fantastic combination of performance, speed, and modern features, making it an excellent choice for gamers, content creators, and anyone who demands a powerful and reliable system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.